Did you know that backend development has exploded in popularity in 2024, with a staggering 80% of developers diving into new frameworks and technologies? Yup, it's a wild ride out there. If you're curious about how to make the most out of this booming field, stick around. So, let's get into what backend development really is. It's the behind-the-scenes magic that powers your favorite apps and websites. Think about it. Without robust backend systems, everything we love about technology would just crumble. From user data management to server communication, backend development is the backbone of any digital product. Now, while backend development is super exciting, it's not without its challenges. First off, scalability is a huge issue. Imagine your app going viral, and suddenly your server crashes because it can't handle the load. Total nightmare, right? And then there's security, with cyber threats lurking around every corner. Ensuring that data is protected is a must. It's a balancing act, and if you're not careful, things can get messy. Alright, let's dive into the cool stuff. The technologies that are taking the backend world by storm in 2024. First up is Node.js. It's lightweight, efficient, and great for building scalable network applications. Next, we've got Python. This language is super versatile and has frameworks like Django and Flask that make backend development a breeze. And let's not forget about cloud services. Platforms like AWS and Azure are game changers, providing scalable solutions that let developers focus on writing code instead of managing servers. These tools are not just trends, they're reshaping how we approach backend development. Now, here's a crucial insight that can level up your backend game. Always prioritize API design. A clean, well-documented API can make all the difference in your application's performance and usability. Think of it as the bridge between your backend and frontend. If it's strong, your application flows smoothly, and everyone's happy. Also, don't forget to implement proper error handling and logging. This not only helps in debugging but also enhances the security of your application. Keeping these best practices in mind can save you countless headaches down the road. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. Backend development in 2024 is all about embracing new technologies while tackling challenges like scalability and security. Staying updated with trends like Node.js, Python, and cloud services is crucial for any developer looking to thrive in this space. Remember, understanding these concepts will not only make you a better developer, but could also open up new career opportunities. So, what do you think? Are you excited about diving into backend development? Drop your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the tech world. Let's keep learning together.